This iPhone trick you're gonna love and you're gonna thank me for. Let's do this.
Do you hate your email inbox like that?
If you're sick and tired of seeing all those junk emails on your inbox and you don't know how to unsubscribe, I got you.
Download UNROLL.me. Go ahead and sign up. Choose the email you want to clean up. I'm doing for my Hotmail. They found 73 subscriptions on my email, which is crazy. Let's go next. Go ahead and list view, and you can pretty much just like that unsubscribe. I don't want any more emails from these guys. Bam, gone. Go down your list and get rid of everything and you're good to go.
I know so many of you have seen my previous videos with me sleeping during autopilot. It was just a joke. I definitely do not sleep while I'm in autopilot. Although this technology is so great that there are breathtaking views, I just want to show you how amazing it is while on road trips, taking these kind of cars and using a feature like autopilot. Tesla is way ahead of all other automakers. I want you to hit that plus button if you love Tesla.
Here's a MacBook trick I promise you didn't know about. After a while, your Mac slows down. Let's fix it. Go to Applications, then scroll down to Utilities, double-click on that, and click on Disk Utility. In here, find Macintosh HD. Click on that, and then click on First Aid. Then click on Run. This will fix your disk problem.
If you work from home, you have to check out this desk. It is a stand-up desk with settings for your preferred heights. It's minimal, cute, and super high-tech. It has wireless charging for your phone, whiteboard for taking notes, drawer that fits my personal laptop, pens, and more, and has USB ports for easy charging. If you're working 40 hours a week from home, do not sit at your dining room table anymore. Upgrade to the...
How to make this in 15 seconds. First, go to the App Store and download PixelCut. Next, add any photo from your camera roll and easily remove the background by just sliding your finger. The background cutouts are damn near perfect. They even work with your hair. Now, when you add a background, you can add any color, or you can choose from over 1 million free photos. Let's search sand and add this one. Now we just add some text like this, and we have a pro photo in 15 seconds.
As a tech nerd, these are the things I can't live without. 7-in-1 USB-C adapter, 1 terabyte SSD, a 1 meter long charging cable, 2 4 terabyte backup drives, a cable organizer, and more USB-C adapters.
Let's transfer 7.5 gigabytes on a stupid fast NVMe drive and compare it to a USB 3.0. First, I'm going to drag this file to a USB 3.0 thumb drive. To be fair, it's about 7.85 gigabytes. At 25 megabytes per second, it's going to take about 5.5 minutes. While the file is getting transferred, let's see what's inside this box, which you can get in the link in the bio. You can use this to back up your computer, transfer your game files, and with a stupid fast transfer speed, you can even edit on this device. It comes with a USB cable, but take a look at this. You can unplug the tip, and it'll turn into a Type-C to Type-C connector. Very convenient and fast. Let's plug it in using Type-C. It works on Windows as well as consoles. Even better on the new PS5 and the Series X. Though you'll probably not see a lot of difference with the PS4. Okay, now that the transfer is done, let's drag the file to the NVMe drive. Remember, the promised speed on the box is about 1,000 megabytes per second. I won't even pause this one. This is not even sped up. Take a look at the transfer speed. We're getting about 20x of the thumb drive. 7.8 gigabytes in about 15 seconds.
Want to make apps but don't know how to code? I got you! This website is called glideapps.com, and it lets you build apps from Google Sheets. It's literally as easy as providing the information in a Google Sheet and then dragging and dropping on their interface. You don't need to be a software developer to update your app or anything. All you gotta do is just edit the Google Sheet. They even have like a crap ton of templates. Want to build an app for your podcast? They have a template right here. Check out all these templates. And if you get really good at making apps with Glide, you could probably even make some money selling templates. Here are some of the most purchased templates on Glide. And some of these people charge like $50 for it. Imagine you sell 100 of those, that's easy money.
Here's a crazy life hack. If you don't remember your autofill password, just right-click, hit Inspect Element, find where it says password, and type in words instead. Hit enter, and boom, now you can see your hidden password. Share this with all of your friends.
These cryptocurrency mining rigs are making around $73 a day and are costing around $5 a day in electricity. This means that at today's rates, you'll pay off the initial investment in around 7 months, and then you'll be making around $2,000 a month in profit. Considering we have clients still mining away on rigs we sold them over 5 years ago without any issues, you can see how profitable they can be.
This microtip will show you how to email a Word document or a Word doc as a PDF in a single click. So I have my Word document open here, and I'm going to go in the upper left and drop this little arrow down. and we're going to go down and choose more commands. Now I'm going to drop choose commands from here and put all commands. Now scroll down this big list until you see email. I'll click email right here and click add. Then choose email as PDF attachment and click add. So we're adding both of these to our quick access toolbar. Now click OK. Now up at the top you're going to see it's added two little icons. Let's click the first icon. It pops an email message with the Word document attached instantly. Close this. Now I'm going to go back and click the email as PDF attachment. Click this. It instantly converts that Word doc to a PDF here, and now I can send it off in email.